My name is Josh Hammond. I'm the CEO, one of the partners of Precision Imaging Centers here in Jacksonville, Florida. Been with Precision Imaging for 14 years now. We opened Precision Imaging Centers 2007 April with the idea in mind of elevating the level of healthcare and diagnostic imaging in the Jacksonville market. We came in as a show site for GE with the first 3T in the market. We focus on subspecialty radiologists, high-end MR imaging, wide array of specialties that we cater to, from cardiac imaging to MSK imaging, high-end neuroimaging. Prostate imaging is a really big focus of ours at this time. We've gone from the one site that was opened in 2007. Since then, over a 10-year period, we opened 3 more sites in the Jacksonville area. We have about 15 radiologists that we work with. Specific challenges to precision imaging over the years have been reimbursement challenges, capacity issues that we've had as we grow as a company, accommodating patient timelines, referring physician timelines. We've gone from 1,200 MRIs a month to scanning about 2,000 MRIs a month across the 4 facilities. As we look at our growth plans and being able to add space for additional volume and capacity, it really became a challenge without us actually moving our facility or purchasing new magnets. I was introduced to Subtle through now one of our current partners, the CEO of Halo Diagnostics. What we found appealing was that we could maintain quality or increase quality using Subtle and gain those efficiencies that we were looking for. Those efficiencies are going to be key in scanning MR patients. That motion becomes a factor, repeating sequences becomes a factor. Overall, patients don't want to do an MRI because of past experiences of how long they might take is always going to be an issue. So if we can explain to a patient that it's going to be a better experience, a shorter experience, and more comfortable experience in certain positions, then we're able to increase completion rate. Patients are more compliant, and overall, we're going to increase our volume. At Precision Imaging, we're very focused on patient comfort and the overall experience. We found that Subtle would add tremendous value, being able to accommodate patients that might be in a little bit more pain, elderly patients, especially in difficult positions when you're doing MR imaging, or patients that are just uncomfortable overall having an MRI. When we evaluated Subtle solutions overall, we looked at the picture of capacity add that we'd be able to gain specifically at our St. Augustine facilities. Precision Imaging runs a diverse fleet of scanners for MRI. We run a Siemens, a Philips, and 2 GE scanners. So when implementing Subtle, it was important for us that it would work on all of the different manufacturers. And we've also been able to achieve similar results consistently through the different manufacturers and gains that we were looking for. In one of our facilities, we were running 30-minute scan times on all of our patients, and we were able to actually decrease those to 20-minute scan times in a 10-hour day. So we were able to add 3 to 5 slots at least per day. Our main focus on using SubtlePET was for the patient experience at Precision Imaging. Times with PET imaging are a little bit more lengthy traditionally, and it's difficult for patients to be in a good position to get ideal studies that come out. When they've been at another facility and the times are much longer, and traditionally they're used to a long scan time and the painful positioning and the experience not being very comfortable, it's very helpful for us to explain that the times are going to be significantly decreased and it's going to be a lot more comfortable. Working with Subtle has been a very nice experience for Precision Imaging. We feel as we're a partner, there's a deep understanding of the challenges that outpatient imaging companies face, and the alignment is key. Precision Imaging is really focused on providing quality healthcare outcomes for patients in the most comfortable setting possible. And we will continue to partner with companies like Subtle that will help us get to that level. It's been a pleasure for Precision Imaging, and we are very excited to see what solutions Subtle will bring to us in the future.